Have you ever looked at an airplane and wondered how all its parts work together to fly? Today, we're breaking down the main airplane body parts and explaining what each one does, in a simple and fun way. Let's take off! First up is the fuselage. This is the main body of the airplane. It holds the passengers, cargo, and cockpit. Think of it as the airplane's backbone. Everything connects to it. Next are the wings. Wings are one of the most important parts because they create lift, which allows the airplane to fly. As air moves faster over the top of the wing, the plane is pushed upward into the sky. The engines provide thrust, which pushes the airplane forward. Some planes have engines under the wings, while others have them at the back. No engines means no takeoff. At the back of the plane is the tail, also called the empennage. It helps keep the airplane stable and allows pilots to turn and climb. The tail includes the vertical and horizontal stabilizers. The cockpit is where the pilots control the airplane. Inside, you'll find flight controls, screens, and navigation systems that guide the plane safely. Finally, we have the landing gear. These are the wheels that help the airplane take off, land, and taxi on the runway. After takeoff, most planes fold the landing gear back inside the body. And that's a quick tour of the main airplane body parts. Each part has a special job, and together they make flight possible. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe for more learning videos, and comment below which airplane part you found most interesting. Thanks for watching. See you next time.